And so, my faithful followers, the mystery of the TX4B looks to be solved. Why wasn't the PTO working after we took it all apart? Well, the transistor was not shorted, and the truth of the matter is stranger than fiction. It just shows you that Captain Obvious makes money from Hotels.com, and there's a reason why Captain Obvious makes money, because you can't overlook the obvious. Let me show you what I found here. So the PTO is down that dark hole there. And anyway, in that dark hole, you see coax coming out that is going from the PTO output, the VFO output, and the coax runs all the way along here. You can see it running along the chassis here. So here's the coax right here. Or, let me think. Yeah, it's right here. So it runs down through here. And it ends up on this switch here, which is going to muck around with the injection frequency as it should. Anyway, that coax is where I showed previously testing for no signal on this thing. And the coax itself has a short. So let me find the area in the camera here for you. It's on the switch. Okay, I think I found it. It's hard to find it in the camera sometimes. Okay, well anyway, mystery solved. Yeah, there it is right there. Okay, so do you see this wire here? This is the coax coming from the PTO. And let me get the screwdriver here to show you where it is. Well, can't seem to get lined up here. Okay, there it is. So, believe it or not, there's a short where they soldered this ground of the coax onto the tube pin there, onto the ground pin. There looks to be a short right about here, right about there. So, indeed, I'm going to muck around with that wire and show you what happens. So I was getting like 5.6 ohms on this line, which is really bad. But let me show you the short. I knocked my lead off of here. Let's get that lead back on where it was, and I can show you the demo of the short. There, I had it stuck in like that. And the meter's reading a dead short.